Hey everybody, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the senses. There are 5 senses: look, smell, sound, taste, and feel. In English, we can use them in many different ways to describe how we feel these senses. So, the first way is by just using them with an adjective. So, for example, we can say, "You look tired." You look tired. This meal smells great. This meal smells great. This song sounds interesting. This song sounds interesting. So you can see we just use the sense followed by adjective. The second way is by using like and then a noun. So we can say, "You look like your father." You look like your father. This material feels like silk. This material feels like silk. This drink tastes like coffee. This drink tastes like coffee. So we use the sense, then like, and then a noun. So the third way is by using the phrase as if or as though, and then we follow it with a clause, a phrase or a sentence. So we can say, "It smells as if something is burning." It smells as if something is burning. It sounds as though it is raining. It sounds as though it's been raining. She looks as if she's been crying. She looks as if she's been crying. So we just use as if or as though plus a sentence or a phrase. You can practice all of these 3 ways in the comments below. And if you want to learn English every day, please check my Twitter and Instagram. The links you can find in the description below. If you want to see more content, then remember to like and subscribe and tell your friends. Please visit my website if you are interested in taking English classes with me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time. Goodbye.